Hello, for today's video is how to use Android's accessibility features. So it's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the accessibility menu is a large on-screen menu to control your Android device. You can control gestures, hardware buttons, navigation, and more. From menu, you can take screenshots, lock your screen, open Google Assistant, open quick settings and notification, turn volume up or down, and turn brightness up or down. So, to turn on accessibility menu, you should go to settings, and then to additional settings, you will go to accessibility, and you'll just toggle on the menu. So, this service will perform the action. Full control is appropriate for apps that will help you accessibility needs, but not most for apps. So, let's allow it. So, you just need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen with 2 fingers. Let's toggle on again also the shortcut from lock screen. So if we go to the home and let's follow the instruction. So here you go. It is the accessibility menu. And you can see here the Google Assistant, accessibility settings, volume, recents, lock screen, toggles, notifications, screenshots. So that's how you use the accessibility menu. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!